Look at this American classic parked here in the Verdun borough of Montreal. Beautiful Sunday afternoon. It's May. The spring is really here when you know the leaves are blooming and you're not freezing your tushy off. Dual exhaust, original color probably, not paint. 65 Ford Mustang convertible. I noticed this camera's got a flaw in it, is that when I'm recording, sometimes I hit one of these buttons on the side and it pauses. It's really annoying. You guys dropped the ball there, Nikon, on this fucking B500. I love this camera, but Ming. So anyway, like I was saying, just last week I went to do groceries. I didn't even bring this camera with me. I had my phone, and I filmed a bright red 66 Mustang, which of course they made this body style 2.5 years. 65, 66, and half of 64. There's the 47 Rollfast I'm enjoying today. But she's going to need some serious work because she's got too much wobbling there. Too much wobbling on the wheels. You can see this car was in storage maybe a long time. I can see by all the dirt on the rear glass here, especially the roof, the old, that's an old or even original roof maybe. It's here at a garage there, and interior is beautiful. Typical automatic shifter. God, those designs were beautiful. Everything was beautiful about these cars. It's like the Thunderbirds, the dashboards, the door panels, just awesome. You know, really. And it's here at a garage. I'll show you something else here in a moment. Yeah, there it is. You can see what I filmed it last year in my area, or the year before. Yeah, there's an old AMC Spirit. Yeah, that one's for you, Antoine. Yeah, the old 65 Stang. I never rode in one of these. Yes, I did. I rode in one of these. What am I talking about? Yeah, a friend of mine. He's got a fastback GT. What a terrific ride. 289. Oh my God. Yeah, not the best lighting for the front of this, eh? Sometimes you guys, you might have thought to yourself, well, how come there's so many of these cars? They were well preserved because they were so loved. Wiper blades are unoriginal. I don't like that. Well, it's not just that they're well preserved because they were such popular cars. It's because of the fact that in 65 alone, Ford made almost 800,000 of these cars in 1 year. Not including 64, you know? That's amazing. Beautiful stock color. Yeah, stock all the way, man. I just filmed a Pontiac 6000 SE, a really rare model. Oh yeah, when everything's correct on the car like that, what do you change? You don't change anything. Shit, even white wall tires like this, which are standard gauge size white wall, even those, you have to custom order them now. You can't buy that from any particular place anymore, you know? Is that painter's tape I see here? Oh no, there's something wrong with that gas cap. It's defective because look, they put a Ziploc over it. Yeah, there's a defect, maybe not with the cap, but the filler pipe itself. Maybe it's got a hole in it. So, yeah. That's the American dream, baby. That's the fucking American dream. Back at a time when everybody had an American car, and if you had a foreign car, you're a fucking weirdo. Really. You know? Well, you know, I could take a look, but I mean, what for? It's just, you know, a car that's in this condition, even though it's been stored a long time, needs a good cleaning. You know, it's probably A1 underneath anyway. Well, that's a very nice siding. I just want to get one little last view here. I like how the guy backed it up really, really out of the way there compared to these modern cars. I like these Acura TL coupes, by the way. I really like these cars. They're really nice. Put some nice wheels on there, man, you're laughing. Well, there you go, guys. Classic American moment for you there, so to speak. You're an old motorcycle. Oh, maybe it's not old. Coming to you not live from the Verdun sector of Montreal, Quebec. Anyway, adios.